Here are a few Japanese sentences using JLPT N5 vocabulary and grammar. Let's get started.
Here is the first sentence.
まだ上手ではありません。
This means, I'm still not good. This can be used to refer to your Japanese ability, your cooking skills, or anything else that requires some skill and you want to express you are still a learner. It is considered polite to downplay one's skills. Tooting your own horn is frowned upon in Japanese, so this is a good phrase to memorize. Repeat after the speaker.
まだ上手ではありません。まだ上手ではありません。まだ上手ではありません。
Now let's break it down. Mada means still or yet. Jozu is an adjective used to describe someone who is skilled or proficient at a particular activity or in a certain area. It often carries a positive connotation, implying the person is talented or capable. It is made up of the kanji for up or above and hand, which represents skill or ability. Dewa arimasen is the polite negative form of des. It means is not and is used to indicate a negative state or quality in a polite form. Here are the other forms.
じゃない、
Informal, casual speech.
じゃありません。
Semi-formal, more polite than janai.
ではない、
Formal, written language.
ではありません。
Polite, formal speech.
じゃない、じゃありません。ではない、ではありません。
Literally
まだ上手ではありません。
means still, skilled, am, not. Notice we don't add a pronoun. When the situation makes it obvious who the subject is, pronouns are usually dropped. Also, we negate the verb to say not, and the verb goes at the end. So, altogether,
まだ上手ではありません。
means I'm still not good. Got it? Now listen and repeat a few more times.
まだ上手ではありません。まだ上手ではありません。まだ上手ではありません。
Here's the next sentence.
この町の名前は何ですか？この町の名前は何ですか？この町の名前は何ですか？
Can you figure out the meaning? Let's go through the vocabulary. この町, this town. この, which means this, is a demonstrative adjective used to indicate something close to the speaker. この cannot be used as a standalone pronoun. When referring to this as a standalone noun, use これ instead. For example, これは本です. No is used to link nouns, indicate possession, or association. It limits the scope of the noun that follows, clarifying the context or specifying the relationship between two nouns. So it isn't just any name, but the name of this town. 名前, which means name. は is the topic marker. This sets the name of this town as the topic of the conversation. 何ですか? What is it? Literally
この町の名前は何ですか？
would be this town apostrophe s name as for what is. A more natural translation would be, what is the name of this town? Now, repeat after the speaker while considering the meaning of the words.
この町の名前は何ですか？この町の名前は何ですか？この町の名前は何ですか？
Here's one more sentence.
ここでちょっと待ってください。 ここでちょっと待ってください。ここでちょっと待ってください。
Can you figure out the meaning? Let's go through the vocabulary. ここ means here. In the previous sentence, we used この, which means the same thing as ここ, here, but it is used before nouns. ここ is used alone. で at or in, indicating location. Understanding the role particles play in a sentence is crucial for understanding the sentence as a whole. Here, the で indicates the location where an action takes place. In other words, the waiting should occur here. ちょっと, a little, just a moment. ちょっと is an adverb used to soften requests, indicate a small amount, or suggest a brief duration. It is used here to indicate the wait will be brief, but also it is used to make the request more polite and less demanding. 待って, wait. This is 待つ, to wait, in the te form. ください, please. Taking the te form of a verb and adding ください makes it a polite request form in Japanese. Use this to ask someone to perform an action. Please do something. Literally, this would be here, at, a little, wait, please. A more natural translation would be, please wait here a little. Now listen and repeat after the speaker.
ここでちょっと待ってください。ここでちょっと待ってください。ここでちょっと待ってください。
One more time, here are the 3 sentences. Listen and repeat.
まだ上手ではありません。まだ上手ではありません。まだ上手ではありません。この町の名前は何ですか？この町の名前は何ですか？この町の名前は何ですか？ここでちょっと待ってください。ここでちょっと待ってください。ここでちょっと待ってください。
Well, I hope this helped. Do you have any questions? Please leave them in the comments below.
チャンネル登録してね。